So, okay, I'm here at the Calyx now, and you can see this is the building, and this is the exhibition the flora exhibition I'm going to see, called an Alchemy of a Rainforest. It is beautiful from the outside, so I'm assuming it's going to be even better when I go in. So I wonder how many people have done the race and are now coming here to have a bit of a wander around. Probably not many. They've probably all gone to the other end and gone straight home, I suppose. It's very windy, you can see. I think there may be some wild weather coming. But this has all been filled up with plants. This was actually a water feature before. So they've changed that and made it into a floral display. And there used to be ducks hanging around here, so there's no ducks today. So let's go in and have a look. Nice rare Sunday brunch here, sitting outside. Beautiful. It's a little store here. It's so pretty at the moment. And there's toilets and there's like a cafe and a shop. So
no stress. Go get your coffee now, it's fine. Yeah. It's just, yeah.
Hi, is it just walk in?
It's entry by donation if you can.
Okay.
Could I grab a postcode off you?
Yeah, 1355.
Which state is that one?
Bonner Junction.
Oh, 213.
No. 1355.
Oh, okay, that's interesting.
Yes.
And then, so we just ask for a donation, either a coin or a tap. You can choose the amount you
Yeah,
want.
can I do it when I come back out? I've got no hands.
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
not gonna...
no worries.
Okay, thank you. So entry is by donation. So, okay. I might do it when because I had no hands, I'm going to do it when I get out. So let's have a look in here. Okay, so there's lots of little interesting features in here, like some fake butterflies and fake toadstools or fungi, mushrooms, whatever you want to call them. Water feature, some signage. This is very pretty actually. Okay, let me just try and get the camera so I don't interfere with it. I've still got it on the selfie stick, so it's a little bit difficult to control. Sorry about that. Okay, this wall is amazing. There's a lot of vegetation at the top too on the roof or the skyline of the indoor tropical building, whatever you want to call it. I think this exhibition just opened today, so oh wow, look at that. So they're obviously not real, but they blend in very well. They're like woody mushrooms, except I think these ones are meant to be, if they were real, poisonous ones. Woody mushrooms are usually brown. And these little toadstools here, or little fungi mushroom things, they're probably poisonous as well. They look like probably is it a gnocchi? Which are usually white or cream in colour. The Japanese ones, or the Korean ones, sorry. More coloured fungi here. Very pretty. Wow, that's got to be the feature of this display. What a beautiful piece of artwork. Wow. And I love those. They look like, I don't know what they are, but I thought they were lilies, but they're not, obviously. Some kind of like a, similar to a bluebell, it looks like, but it's not. Yeah, very pretty. But they look better on the from the outside of the building, of all the green. I think this is a greenhouse, actually, a tropical greenhouse, than inside it. So very nice. Lots of little things to walk through, like these little reeded side panel things, or little, creating a little cave kind of like area. Yeah, very pretty. And I like how they've covered up this. They don't have the little peephole this time, so you can't see into it, but you can see above. Please look, but don't touch. There's not much to touch here. Oh, what is that?
Look, that's so cute.
What is it?
I don't know.
Interesting. Oh, I like this plant. Little prickly thing. It's more prickly plants. This is probably why they say look but don't touch, because some of these look deadly when you touch them. So yeah, this is the Calyx, inside the Calyx of the new exhibition. Yeah, they have at least one every year, but I think in spring it's the best time to come, because that's when they have the really vibrant displays of plants. So I've been to most of them here, except for one I missed. I think it was earlier this year or last year, end of last year I missed. But all the other ones I've been coming to since it opened. The very first one I think they had was the chocolate one, and that was really, really good. So if anyone can remember, or that particular first exhibition, it was very, very good. And it was not just looking, there was also tasting as well. So very interesting. They did have another cacao one later on, which wasn't as good. Oh, there's lots of hidden fruits here. What is that? Black bean. Poisonous pods. Okay. And there was some, I think they look like lemons or limes before. The moss growing onto the rocks as well, to make it look more realistic. Spotted plants. There we go. They aren't limes. They look like limes, they're not. So these are nuts as well. A little bit closer to home from Queensland. Interesting. Oh, they are macadamia. Okay. Wow. They're huge. And macadamia is not that big. And they're not as green either, although when I saw them, I probably saw them without the shell on the outside, probably just saw the inner shell. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed it. That's the entrance of it. It's very pretty. I like that a lot. That looks, it's very nice. It's got little lights in there as well, so at night time, which are not open at night, but if it was night time, it would be pretty going through that. There's the butterflies I was talking about, the fake ones. I've only found one so far. So thanks for watching. I think this covers the whole of the Calyx for now. So see you in the next video.